Hi and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you about the best SEO tool. After testing a huge number of programs in this category, I found the best option that suited me perfectly. With this service, I earn more than $20,000 a month and I use it for 4 years. It is a universal search engine tool that helps optimize search efforts and increase site traffic and visibility. In this short video, I'm going to tell you 5 very useful secrets that only few people know about, but that make it really the best in the best SEO tools category. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't miss new videos. Let's start right now.
SEO Profiler is a comprehensive search engine optimization tool that gives you the ability to manage, customize, and analyze the quality of your website so you can make changes when needed. The platform helps you optimize your website with highly ranked keywords, links, and more so that you can start to climb in the rankings of search engines like Bing or Google. It offers a wide range of features and functions such as keyword suggestions, link building tools, URL monitoring, and more. Using these platforms, you can have an edge over other competitors in your industry or niche by ensuring that your website has a high-quality configuration that will allow you to very easily attract customers and get attention. It will also allow you to increase the effectiveness of your marketing approach so that you can begin to see the results that you want and expect from your efforts. The SEO Profiler tool comes with a wide range of useful features that you can use to implement new search engine optimization strategies and techniques on your website. You will be able to view detailed analytics and statistical information about your website that you can use to optimize certain aspects of it, so that you can regularly see the flow of organic traffic to your site. Building a high-quality link profile on your website is also another important element of search engine optimization. This platform also gives you the ability to analyze the current backlinks on your site so you can see if they are hurting or helping its search rankings. There is really no limit to what you can achieve with your website using this platform. On-page search engine optimization tools allow you to analyze the quality of individual pages individually. Competition monitoring gives you the ability to check rankings to see how your competitors' sites rank compared to yours in the same category or niche. Creating reports that allow you to check how your site is performing over time, so you can tweak its configuration if necessary. Daily search engine ranking checks that you can use to see how much your site have improved or declined in search results. Weekly individual page audits allow you to see how some pages are ranking compared to others on your website. Social media integration makes it easy to consistently set up your online presence for maximum reach. All of these benefits can be used not only to improve the overall quality of your website, but also to regularly increase organic traffic and visitors. Before you use this tool, you should know exactly who it was designed for and how it will benefit your business if you start using it. Basically, this platform is for any website owner or digital marketing professional who wants to increase their ranking in regular search results. There is no specific audience or industry that you have to sell to successfully use this platform, if you have a website that you can use it for. This platform is not so much for those who want to increase the number of subscribers and social media interactions, but for those who are interested in improving the configuration of their standalone website. It is a great tool for business owners who want to gain a competitive advantage over their competitors in search engine rankings. It can also be used for website owners who want to get more organic traffic to their website to increase ad revenue and overall interaction with their content, product, or services. A high ranking in organic search filters as vital to the success of any website because the higher you rank, the easier it is for people to find you naturally.
SpyFu is a highly effective SEO and keyword research tool that is easy to use and can effectively boost your search rankings. Using web scraping technology, it collects online data used to determine the keywords that businesses and websites buy with Google AdWords. SpyFu also maps search results to search terms so that companies better understand the types of queries and strings of words for which they appear on Google's search engine results page. SpyFu essentially allows you to spy on your competitors, helping you pinpoint the keywords your competitors are buying for online advertising and highlighting the words and phrases that generate the most traffic. This way you can stay one step ahead of other companies or services in your industry and attract more traffic to your site. SpyFu has 3 different plans. The basic plan costs $33 a month and includes 250 leads and domain contacts and 5,000 weekly tracked keyword rankings. This plan is best for new startups and small companies with a limited online presence. If you need a more advanced keyword analytics, you can choose the professional plan for $58 a month. It comes with 500 leads and domain contacts and 15,000 weekly tracked keyword rankings and custom branding for your company. The most feature-rich plan is the group plan with 2,000 leads and domain contacts, 40,000 weekly tracked keyword rankings, custom branding, and 5 user logins. This plan is ideal for full-service marketing departments with resources dedicated to SEO and online keyword-based advertising. In addition to certain plan features, all SpyFu service levels include unlimited search results, unlimited data exports, and unlimited domain review documents. With SpyFu, you can search for specific competitors, see all the keywords they buy in Google Ads, and see how effective their ads are. Using these data, you can replicate their successes while avoiding their mistakes. You can also see the number of clicks on their keywords, track bids for the words you're interested in, and track changes in your ad spend over time. PPC data allows you to pinpoint keywords your competitors aren't already bidding on. With SpyFu AdWords visualization tools, you can use PPC data to identify groups of keywords, see which words aren't working, and view the displays you're producing for the keywords that matter most to you. SEO Research. This feature allows you to identify content and keywords, including backlinks, that help your competitors outperform you in the rankings and keep track of every website working in your niche. In this way, the SEO research feature shows how orders and content change over time and can help you catch up with prospective competitors faster. A handy group keyword analysis tool allows you to organize your SEO keywords into groups, usually a very tedious and time-consuming task, quickly and efficiently, and you can customize your SEO reports to attract and retain specific customers. There are several tools for keyword research. You can generate keyword variations based on search volume, click-through rankings, and SEO sophistication. You can also bid on words similar to those you have in mind for your SEO campaign. You can even enter keywords you're currently using to see all of the highest yielding keywords that fall into the niche. The SpyFu dashboard and user interface are very clearly designed. The 7 tabs at the top of the dashboard provide quick and easy access to your keywords, SEO tools, PPC research, tracking, and reports. You can see how your keywords are performing, what your pay-per-click is, which keywords made it to the first page, and how your SEO campaign is performing overall based on organic and paid clicks. Urank is a tool that helps you keep track of your site's SEO performance. You enter a website URL, presenting you with a detailed SEO audit for all the ranking factors. If you try to do this manually, it will take hours. However, if you use Urank for free, you'll get this data in seconds. An SEO audit is a report on the state of your site. When you're ready, you can use this information to correct any errors or mistakes that may be hurting your rankings. Of course, there are suggestions and tips from the tool that can save you time researching or instantly show you the solution to the problem. In addition, you can connect your account to Google Search, Google Analytics, and your Facebook page to get the most results by analyzing each site page individually or by tracking your keywords. Urank is a powerful tool to help you get the most out of any project. The creators of Urank have created a tool that can help any website, from an online business owner to an everyday blogger, get higher rankings. Depending on the site or your business, you can choose from 3 available plans. If you're a newbie, you can try it for free. With free reports, you get minor details, but you can still improve some aspects of SEO with partial information provided by Urank. Small business owners with 1 website can use the Pro plan. Web admins who own up to 5 websites should consider the Premium plan. Finally, the Enterprise plan is for those managing multiple projects, SEO specialists, and agencies. All the available plans are of great value. Choosing the one that's right for you, you can get also a free 14-day trial. The best way to demonstrate how to get the most out of Urank is to review the website and highlight the essential parts. The process begins by visiting the home page and entering the website you want to study. You should then see the score and marketing list at the top of the page. If you test out the websites, you will see that similar ratings are expected. Don't panic if you see a low score. A near-perfect score is unlikely for any website. So for starters, you will see a score and some marketing suggestions. If you apply some of these tips, you will undoubtedly help improve your site. On the SEO part, it's essential to mark everything in green. If something goes wrong here, it will directly affect your site's appearance in search engines. For example, if your meta description has too many characters, Google will only show part of it. Here you can see information about internal links, alt attributes, sitemap, and other SEO factors on the page. Next to each element, you can see the impact of Urank on SEO and how easily you can fix the problem. Most of the factors here are easy to set and will make a big difference in your rankings. With a mobile optimized site, you can attract people who go online with their smartphones or tablets. Not only will these people be able to visit your site, but they will also benefit from SEO. Other essential factors are the overall performance of the site's mobile version and the site's speed. Both can cost you visitors and rankings if they are not optimized properly. It may be harder to fix if you have a problem, but remember that a good responsive website will help your rankings in the long run. These factors can affect user experience and SEO. They're not as important as on-page or mobile elements, but they can help your rankings if everything works properly. Some problems can easily be fixed by adding a 404 page, while others require some technical knowledge. Urank checks if your server is working and sends notifications with a problem when a problem occurs. It also checks SSL, analytics, and the speed of your site.